In today's video, let me show you how you can fix gold notes not showing on Instagram. Welcome back to App Mentor. So let's begin the tutorial by opening your Instagram account. Then head over to the messages on the upper right. From here, you can see all the notes of your followers on the top. If you want to have a gold bubble text on your notes, there are phrases that you need to include on your note. First, the word is gold. Just type in gold on your note, then hit share, and there you go. Next is victory. Do the same process again. Type victory, then hit share, and there you have it. The other words are champion, medal, and Olympics. Just make sure to include any of these words on your note. You can type anything on your notes, then add these words along with your note. It can be in the beginning of your notes, or at the end, or even in between your texts. And there you go. If this step is not working, you can update your Instagram first, and that will be fixed. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!